and welcome to the trade recap for Thursday, September 19th. Had to move the P&L here just because I'm going to wheel in on these trades so then you guys can really see them. Took a couple of trades, absolutely beautiful day trading day today. Very clean, even though we gapped up, had a pretty substantial gap up on SPY as well as Qs. And let's go over the trade. Now I took Q short. I'll get wheeled in so then you guys can take a look at the entries a little bit clearer. So at the open, we dipped and I started looking for what I call trend formation. Okay, now I'm not going to necessarily go into detail. I've done that lots before on this channel, as well as with members. So it dips down, pops up. So once it dips down, I know that I want to take it short, but we didn't get a pop into resistance, right? So there's still a way to get involved with it when we create space and then we have something now to risk off of, which is pre-market highs. So dips down, pops up, enter the trade, risk off highs, easy peasy, and beautiful first trade. Secondary trade, now as it pops up into this volume zone, which is right here, which is a natural level of resistance, right? This is part of my natural movement theory. I will enter at highs. When it pops through, I will add, looking for the wash. So I pay myself, right? That's that first right here. And then that last entry is when we pop back up to then test that level that I had. And that actually was right there. Sorry, I was on a different chart for a video lesson I just did. So there we go. That's our resistance area. Pops up into it, add into that resistance. Now we're looking for a wash back through, pop back up to bump its head. And that is that last entry there. Overall, working this trade multiple times, actually 3 trades on this one, $11,367, all before 10 a.m. Absolutely beautiful trade. Now let's talk about SPY. So SPY, one sec here, folks. So SPY was a long. Now, again, I'm not overly interested in going long in this market, but it gave us a really beautiful setup. So what we did here first was, because we rejected, we sold off straight down into some pre-market support. And there's quite a bit of support in that area. We have lows here, and where it bumped its head on resistance there. So that is a level of support. Now, I only wanted to start in there, and I was comfortable if it came all the way down into this level. That level is highs of yesterday where we had a lot of volume. So on that, I was willing to start. But once it bounces, once I get that reaction, that trade is now in session and I need to pay myself. It's part of the strategy. So pay myself on that and then simply wait for the long down into that level, which is exactly what I did. Paid myself. Now, could have been more patient with this one, but I was done on the day. Market's definitely a little crazy with them trying to scoop up that liquidity and ramp it back up. So I did miss the bigger long. I'm fine with that. Still locking in $3,725 on that. Members caught this one. Members did very well on this. Quite a few members still caught that short as well. That was part of the trade plan. And this is what we do each and every day, folks. So if you want to learn how to come trade professionally and consistently, come to tricktrades.com. Even though it's been a wild market and there's a lot of people that are losing their asses in this market, we aren't. This is just a regular day in, day out. No matter what the market is doing, we will still trade the same and we will dominate. Absolutely beautiful day. Have a great day, folks, and we will see you tomorrow. Adios.